Welcome to lesson 5. In this module, you're going to learn about intervals. So what are intervals? Simply put, they're just the distance between two keys. So from C to D, that's an interval. And because the notes are so close together, we're going to say they are seconds. So every time you have a note that's right next to each other, C to D, D to E, that's a second, E to F, that's a second, F to G, that's a second. So all of these are short intervals. You can also have intervals in the black key. So from this black key to this black key, that's going to be a second, that's going to be a second, and a second. These intervals, they can get gradually larger. So I can have C to E, and I'm skipping the key in the middle. I'm skipping the D. That's going to be called a third, okay? Third, 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 third. And I can have fourths, C to F, for example. Fourth, 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 okay? I can also go down. It doesn't always have to go up. I'm just showing you that way for the demonstration of the exercise. But I can go fourths down as well, or thirds down, or seconds down, you know, whatever intervals that we would be playing in whatever direction. So we talked about seconds, thirds, fourths, and lastly, for the purpose of this lesson, we're going to do fifths. So I can have a fifth from just an easy start, C to G. And it can also go down, G to F. So fifth, 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 like that. I can go down as well. Of course, there are other intervals like sixths, sevenths, and then octaves, all right? And we use even larger intervals like ninths and tenths and, you know, so on. But for our purpose on these 12 steps that we are using for the course, we really just need to know, again, seconds, okay? Thirds,